What's up guys, you're watching the Situ, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-113511-2, and error has occurred. It's an unknown error, and error has occurred. Sometimes your application is not updated or your system software is not updated. Sometimes the server is not working, that's why it's occurred. And sometimes your storage is not enough, it needs the storage, that's why your operating system is not working properly. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. Check the update, your system software is update and your application is update or not. So if needs to update, you just update it and go to the system. There is the system software. If the system software needs to update, simply just go to the update. Here's automatically files downloaded, reinstall the system software, go to the storage and check the storage. If the storage is not working, if not enough of storage, you just make a storage, make a space in the storage, and after that you just simply go to the safe mode. There's a rebuild database. Simply rebuild the database. After rebuilding database, your corrupted file will be deleted, and you can clear a cache also, and you have a space in your storage, and you can update your system software and application also update. So simply that's how you can fix this. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.